In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the light temperature on the multifunctional module of your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. So let me just detach it to bring it closer. So on the multifunctional module, you have two buttons, this one and this one. So this one turns on the light, and then the other one is used to change the color temperature of the light. Now, whether it's facing you or it's facing the other direction, that's how you do it. So once it's attached, if I press it once, that turns on the light. Now, the other button at the back, when I press it, you can see it changes the color temperature of that light. So we have this warm light, we have this whitish light, then you have this completely white light. So basically that's what you do when you want to change the color temperature. I'm not sure that's very visible to you, so I'm just going to try and make it a bit brighter. Yeah, there you go. So you can see the color temperature changing every time I press that. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.